Hey guys, I'm Jane Hughes, makeup artist, and I'm here with my lovely friend Salwar. And we're gonna do this hourglass liner, but I'm gonna do a twist on that.
Okay.
I might add a little bit of this black just for definition, but it's a really beautiful liner. I'm gonna use instead China Seas from NARS. It's a duo eyeshadow, and I wet my liner brush.
Okay.
And just close your eyes for me. Put your head straight, like there. And then I'm just gonna take this all the way along the top of the lid to create a really pretty teal kind of flick. And then I'm gonna do something a bit different. But I really like the way using an eyeshadow with a bit of a makeup setting spray gives you this gorgeous kind of texture. I'm just going to press it all into the lash line, get it as rich as I can. And this colour against your skin tone is amazing.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my god, that's so good.
Yeah.
Well, it's like even though it's a teal colour and it's bright and summery, it's like kind of, I like this for a fall kind of look because it's like rebellious, and it's like, no, wear a teal if you want to wear it. Do you know what I mean? And also it's like a cool tone, so therefore it can work in the fall because it's cooler outside. It's like just because it's like fresher, has that zingy kind of. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm not going to clean this brush. I'm going to keep it exactly as it is. And then I'm going to take this colour here, which is China Seas, which is like a. So look straight ahead. Look kind of. This is my favourite trick for a cat eye. Look straight ahead. Okay. Kind of like get your pose face on, like you're about to take a photo.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look at her. She goes chin up. Good.
Chin up.
I love it. Okay. So then stay exactly where you are, and then I'm going to wing out from there and basically build that shape of that eyeliner while your eyes open, because that gives me the visibility of where I want the wing to go. So now you've got like a really soft, delicate kind of wing vibe. And then I'm going to take the hourglass one, close, and I'm just going to go right into the roots of the lash to give it some more drama. With my Q-tip, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit.
This is so nice.
You look so cute.
Okay.
Cool.